Hi guys, today I want to show you how to start a huddle in Slack. So first log into your Slack account, then head over to Home, click on Huddles on top left side bar. Under Threads you find Huddles, click on it. Now click on Start Huddle. The green button here shows the user you want to start Huddle with. Click on Start Huddle. Now, just click on Huddle with User, and if locate here, just share screen, share your screen. Click on it, and you will be asked to choose either you want to share the Chrome tab, or your window, or your entire screen, with all the tabs on the screen. So be careful here while sharing sensitive information, as your screen is visible to the users you're huddling with. So, that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a like and a comment. Thanks for watching.